Welcome to Grab Holdings Limited's technical analysis. Grab Holdings Limited is sliding hard, watch reactions at support. Key context: price lost the 50-day EMA today. The stock dropped 7.1% today, and the 30-day trend suggests a downtrend. Below EMA 9/EMA 50 but still above EMA 200, long-term floor intact while short and mid-term pressure persists. Mid-term resistance clustered near $6.62. If momentum extends beyond mid-term hurdles, a measured move projection points to $8.08. Long-term path locked, 2/4 confirmations, prior high cleared, EMA 50 reclaimed pending. Estimated completion window, 64 to 120 sessions, 18.4 weeks. Invalidate the bullish path on a decisive close below $5.36. A recent downward gap remains unfilled between $5.82 and $5.90. If the price attempts to close this gap, it could climb nearly 4.6% from current levels. Momentum is fading, MACD and RSI signal weakness. A similar MACD cycle from October 21 to November 29 led to a price increase of approximately 24.1%. Long-term structure: price remains inside the broader trend channel. Price recently slipped below its short-term channel, indicating weakness. Auto fib impulse: HL price is hovering near the 78% retracement, 5.63. Next fib extensions, 1.276.96, then 1.627.40. Technical outlook for Grab Holdings Limited, scored 3 out of 10, a weak setup based on trend, momentum, support, and volume analysis. Price is below all EMAs, downward pressure remains. Closest EMA is EMA 50 at $5.773, currently acting as resistance. A midterm target stands near $6.620, drawn from repeatedly tested highs in the recent range. A symmetrical extension from the last major dip suggests a long-term target near $8.080. Nearest fib 78% at $5.630, acting as pivot. Next fib to watch, 61% is almost equal to $5.841. Next targets: fib 1.27 is almost equal to $6.963, then fib 1.62 is almost equal to $7.399. Breakdown below regression channel, target is around $4.839. Top news for Grab Holdings Limited. News 1. Benchmark raises Grab stock price target to $7 on strong Q3 results, via investing.com, on 3 hours ago. News 2. Grab Holdings Limited, Grab, Q3 earnings and revenues miss estimates, via sharewise.com, on 4 hours ago. News 3. Grab stock sees surge in retail buzz after raising earnings forecast, via Stocktwits, on 19 hours ago. News 4. Grab Holdings Limited, Grab, to report Q3 results, Wall Street expects earnings growth, via Yahoo Finance, on 27 hours ago. News 5. Jefferies raises Grab stock price target to $7 on strong EBITDA by investing.com, via investing.com South Africa, on 2 hours ago. Those are the key headlines. Thank you for watching technical analysis of Grab Holdings Limited. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with future videos. See you next time.